We're loaded up, gas cans, car's tied down. Everything's all hooked up and ready to go. So we're on our way. Gonna stop and get some fuel for the trip. And then next stop is Glamis. So we're heading to the washes. Austin, you ready? All right. Load it up and go. All right, here we are. A few hours later, we are now at Glamis Imperial Sand Dunes. You see out in the distance, there's a little lookout hill up there. Everyone must be up there for the sunset. We're gonna head a little bit further up here and go to the washes and work our way back to our spot. This is a holiday weekend for you. So we're coming up on Vendors Row from 78, and you can see, I mean, this place is packed. Big old American flag flying above Vendors Row. Lots of cars and bikes and you name it. It's all here. Shock Therapy. We go by and say hi to them. And there's a Glamis store. So we're gonna make a right here and hop down into the washes. Yep, only in Glamis you gotta go paragliding or whatever it's called right out of camp. Pretty crazy. Coming in at the sunset. I'll have to get one of those tomorrow night. Everybody's out ripping. Washes are definitely a good place to camp, but they are crazy. Oh yeah! That was awesome. All right, here we are. Glamis Imperial Sand Dunes. Got a small group. Just me, my buddy Jacob, my buddy Jeff. All three with Can-Ams. Jeff's new to him, 2-seater. He went from a 4-seat to a 2-seat because he didn't need the back seats anymore. He's got this cool custom light bar he made. He's still doing some modifications, but looks really nice. And Jacob's got his daughter's little Razor 800, his Can-Am, my Can-Am. That's my Addison. Yep, we are all the way down. This is crazy weekend. We're all the way down at Wash 25, and it is still, like you can see, pretty packed. So we're gonna get some riding going today, have some fun.
my tracks.
Yes. So I'm going to do 3, 2, 1, go. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it actually worked. Well, hopefully, heads up. Go. Brian, see that?
This is what happens when you get two cars stuck out teaching other kids how to drive. Probably should be teaching ourselves.
So, you go up and over the hill like we did before. Because you got back up some. Straight back.
Hi, Jacob! Hi! Yeah, it's a tire off the ground. All right. Good time to teach the kids how to get somebody unstuck after the adults get ourselves stuck. Bam! Nice! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Night ride? Night ride! Alright, we're loading up. Heading out to Oldsmobile. We got chairs, firewood, the works. Then go have some fun. Alright, here we are. Oldsmobile Hill. We're a little bit early, but it's already getting into crazy. Got a little fire, everyone's chilling.
Beverage, and I said no, and then he said, what?
No beverage? Jacob? No beverage? Oh, beverage.
Sure.
It's a good fire, Jeff.
Thanks. What's this?
Tis no barn.
Oh no. Things are getting saucy. He's gonna burn his leg hairs off.
Let's see. Almost out.
Spray you with it.